Good evening everyone. Today I am going to teach you about decimal portion. In last class I told you and promised you to teach decimal part. So let's continue. Let's continue decimal first. So what is decimal? It is also just like a fraction and how you can represent it. Like if I am going to write 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1000. Sometime what happened, students always ask how we can change into decimal. So how you can change into decimal? Always remember beta, this is 0. 0, in every case 0 play an important role in converting into decimals. How it is playing, I'll tell you. Here, see beta, how many zeros are here? There is 1 0, there is 2 0, there is 3 0. So how you can change it? Now see, I am going to change into decimal. 1 by 10, it means I can write 0.1 because there is 1 0. So before 1 you can put decimal. Okay. Now if I come to here, 1 by 100, how many 0? 1, 2. So before 1 you can put one more 0, then decimal. How? 0.01. Why beta? Because there is 2 zeros. Then again if I come to this portion, there are 3 zeros. So 1 is already here. Counting you can do it 1, then put here 0, 2 and 3. Then decimal will come. In this manner we can change and convert into decimal. Now if I take example of some more excluding 1. So I am writing beta 2 by 1000, 3 by 1000, 4 by 100. So you can convert in same manner. Only numbers are numerator is changed. How you can write beta here? 1, 2, 3. 1 is already here, but before 2 you can write 2 zeros. 2 is there, then because there is 3, so you can also make 3 numbers upside. 1, 2, 3. Then decimal. In same manner, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Dot. Then again here also beta 4 you can write. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. In this manner you can make it decimal. You can convert into decimal, right? So now this is converting into decimal. Now beta I will tell you how to multiply numbers. How to multiply decimal numbers with normal numbers. Okay, so give me 1 minute. Normal numbers. So give me 1 minute please. If I am taking here beta 2 multiplied by 0.23, how you can do the multiply? What you can do it? You know the table, simply you forget that decimal portion. You think that there is no decimal. Okay, at the end we can include decimal, right? 2 3s are 6, you can write here 6. 2 2s are 4, you can write here 4. Now count decimal. 1 2, before 2 digit there is decimal. You can count here 1 2, then decimal. You can write beta 0.46. You can put here 0 in one's place, no problem. So in this manner you can do the multiplication. I will give one more example. If it is 1.0237 multiply by 2. You forget this decimal, think that there is no decimal. What you can do it? Just do the multiply. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 and 7 beta. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. Now 1 2 3 4. Count the numbers. 1 2 3 4. Before 4 digit there is decimal. You can count here 1 2 3 4. Then before 4 digit you can put decimals. Always remember, in putting decimal we count right to left. Okay, so you can start counting from here 1 2 3 4. Before 4 digit you can put decimal. In this way you can do the multiply portion. Now its name. Okay, so what I gave you example beta, I will give you very simple one example so that you can understand more. So first thing I am going to write here 1.0 0.023. This is beta before decimal it is your ones. It is called ones. You know that ones, tens, 100,000. Then after decimal you can write beta. This will start from tenth. What? Tenth. This will start from hundredth. What? Hundredth. And this will start from thousands. Say and DTH. Okay. If somebody asks, what is this number? If somebody tells, write the number, write into decimals, write into number names. So how you can write it? If it is 3.023. So there is two ways in writing beta. It is we can write 3 point. Simple, you can write 0, 2 and 3, right? So as time is going to be up, we can stop here, but I'll continue this decimal portion in next class because it is big beta. Okay, so let's meet in next class. Okay, thank you.